that you really are proud of, or you really think helped you, then there's just
Regrets.
Tell me about that.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
progression have certain what causes consonance, what causes dissonance in sound, and I had to study cognitive neuroscience and understand why certain.
And you play with it. Do you play with any of these dogs?
Well, the pug puppy's insane. So
because it's like imagine like a hand.
I'm on the fence because I'm the head kid. And there was a dead silence from 150 individuals.
You're holding your face. Right.
You saw that? I made you say that.
But is that
I used to have other big vices. I used to have problems with the substances, but
So, tell me about your relationship with sunscreen.
If the zombie apocalypse came to Full House, who would die first? In other words, how to get interviewed. Right now, you seem to be pretty
perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.